What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about Gamma AI. Gamma AI is a new presentation software application that simplifies the process of creating slideshow by focusing on content rather than formatting. Gamma AI aims to revolutionize traditional slideshow technology by providing a user-friendly and engaging platform for creating visually appealing presentations. In this video, we are going to guide you on how to create a presentation using Gamma AI. First, log into your Gamma AI account and create your presentation. You can do this by typing a title or a topic in the text box provided. Once you click Generate Options, it will show you an outline of the slides that Gamma AI will create for you. You can check these outlines and edit them if needed. When you are satisfied, click on Continue. Now here, you need to select a theme. Select a consistent visual motif like color schemes, shapes, or images to unify your presentation design. Also, choose a theme that resonates with your message, audience, and brand identity for a cohesive presentation. Once you settled on a theme, you can click on Generate. Gamma AI will generate the slides for you. It will take a few seconds depending on the scope of your topic. Once it's done generating the slides, you can check the presentation slides. You can edit the slides if needed. Once you're done, you can download your presentation. You can do this by clicking on the three dots on the upper right corner and click on Export. You will have two options. You can download it as PDF or you can download it as PPT or presentation. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can create a presentation using Gamma AI. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.